What if your job could be replaced by your own digital business, working from anywhere with the flexibility of AI doing most of the heavy lifting? In 2026, the landscape is shifting dramatically. Many of the jobs we thought were untouchable are now being automated, but there's good news. You can replace your income by learning the right skills. Imagine orchestrating AI-driven workflows or becoming an expert at guiding businesses through complex digital transformations. Stick around to learn about 8 high-demand skills that can help you step away from traditional job grind and build a sustainable, high-paying income in the digital world. Let's dive in. 1. AI Workflow Architect. The age of AI is here, but many businesses are stuck in a tool-rich but system-poor environment. What does that mean? It means they have all these powerful AI tools at their disposal, like ChatGPT and Midjourney, but don't know how to make them work together to create seamless, automated workflows. As an AI workflow architect, you'll bridge the gap between these tools, connecting them in a way that makes sense of the business. Your role would involve building no-code automations using platforms like Make.com or LangChain. These automations could handle tasks like lead generation, scheduling meetings, and client communication, all without human intervention. Your ability to create smooth, seamless systems will be in high demand as businesses realize the potential of AI to transform operations. The income potential here is impressive. By managing just a few clients on a retainer, you could easily replace a $5,000 per month salary. But it's not just about connecting tools. It's about strategically integrating them into the business's existing workflow. You'll need to understand a company's processes and find ways to optimize them with AI, ensuring that automation saves time and reduces errors. For example, you might automate customer support by connecting ChatGPT to a business's CRM system, allowing AI to respond to common inquiries in real time, while escalating more complex issues to a human representative. Or you could build an automated content creation pipeline, where AI generates initial drafts for blogs, emails, or social media posts, and then another AI tool refines the content based on set guidelines. Your job will also require staying on top of the latest advancements in AI tools and technologies. As AI evolves, new tools and integrations will emerge, and it will be your responsibility to continually optimize your systems. With businesses relying more on AI to increase efficiency and reduce overhead, your expertise as an AI workflow architect will become increasingly valuable, making it an excellent time to enter this field. 2. Generative Engine Optimization GEO Consultant. SEO as we know it is dead. Traditional search engine optimization no longer cuts it in today's world. People are no longer typing keywords into search engines. Instead, they're asking AI questions like, who's the best tax lawyer in Dubai? If the AI doesn't list your business, you're invisible. That's where a generative engine optimization GEO consultant comes in. As a GEO consultant, your job is to plant the right data, citations, and metadata across the web in a way that large language models, LLMs, prioritize your clients in their generated answers. It's a whole new level of SEO that requires a deep understanding of AI and how it processes information. With businesses increasingly turning to AI-driven search, the demand for GEO consultants is set to rise dramatically. This skill can easily replace high-ticket marketing manager salaries, making it a lucrative career option. As more companies realize the value of having their businesses featured prominently in AI-generated responses, the role of a GEO consultant becomes essential. This new frontier of SEO goes beyond traditional rankings and dives deep into optimizing for AI understanding, making it an exciting and rewarding space to work in. 3. Digital Ethics and AI Compliance Auditor. In 2026, with AI becoming a bigger part of everyday business, one of the most pressing issues companies face is ensuring their AI systems are ethical, legal, and compliant. From data privacy laws to avoiding algorithmic bias, businesses need experts who can navigate these complexities. Enter the Digital Ethics and AI Compliance Auditor. This role requires you to audit AI systems and ensure they comply with regulations such as data privacy laws and ethical standards. You'll make sure AI doesn't hallucinate or produce biased results that could lead to lawsuits or customer distrust. With growing concerns around AI ethics, your services will be in high demand, and your income potential mirrors that of legal or accounting professionals. 4. Synthetic Media Producer. Creating high-quality marketing videos doesn't require a film crew anymore. Instead, it's all about mastering AI tools like Sora or Runway Gen. 3. To produce content quickly and cost-effectively. As a synthetic media producer, you'll be responsible for scripting, prompting, and stitching together AI-generated videos and voiceovers to create cohesive, high-conversion brand commercials. The best part? You can produce 10 times the content for a fraction of the cost. This means businesses can scale their marketing without increasing their budgets. By offering a combination of creativity and technical know-how, you can replace the salaries of entire creative agencies. Whether for ads, social media content, or promotional videos, the demand for synthetic media producers is expected to explode in the coming years. 5. Fractional prompt engineer for HR and legal. Imagine walking into a corporate office and seeing that all the HR and legal departments are powered by AI, but they need hyper-specific prompts to work effectively. That's where a fractional prompt engineer comes in. Specialized fields like HR and law require precise, nuanced prompts that a general AI might not get right. As a prompt engineer, your job is to build specialized libraries of prompts that non-tech employees can use to perform expert-level tasks safely and accurately. From drafting legal contracts to managing employee benefits, your work helps departments operate smoothly and efficiently, without human errors. This is a high-demand, high-value service that can provide steady, recurring income for years to come. 6. Depend Network Manager. You might not be familiar with decentralized physical infrastructure networks, DePIN, but you'll want to learn about them as they represent the future of internet infrastructure. Imagine owning a part of the internet's hardware, from 5G towers to GPU clusters. As a DePIN Network Manager, you'll deploy and maintain hardware nodes that help power decentralized networks. As the network grows, so does your passive income. You can earn daily token rewards, eventually surpassing the income of a full-time job. With the rise of decentralized technologies, this is an exciting new area where you can position yourself as an expert and earn a steady stream of income. DePIN is still a relatively untapped field, so early movers in this space stand to gain a significant edge. 7. Personalized AI Twin Curator. In the future, high-level executives won't just have assistants. They'll have digital twins. These AI versions of themselves can handle basic emails, schedule meetings, and even respond in their voice. As a personalized AI Twin Curator, you'll create and manage these digital surrogates for wealthy entrepreneurs and CEOs. The key to this role is training and fine-tuning a private AI model on an individual's past writings, videos, and preferences, so the AI can act as a 1:1 digital version of the person. As more executives and celebrities adopt this technology, the demand for AI twin curators will skyrocket. This is a high-end personal service with lucrative fees, perfect for those who enjoy working with cutting-edge AI and top-tier clients. 8. Tokenized Asset Strategist. As traditional assets like real estate, art, and bonds move onto blockchain, people need help managing these fractional portfolios. As a tokenized asset strategist, your job is to guide clients through the new world of tokenized markets. You'll help them transition from traditional stocks to blockchain-based assets that offer higher yields and 24/7 liquidity. With the rise of tokenization, wealth management is going digital, and this skill places you at the forefront of that shift. You can earn commissions or percentage-based wealth management fees while advising clients on how to navigate the complexities of tokenized assets. If you're interested in blockchain and digital finance, this is a skill you'll want to master. There you have it, 8 powerful online skills that can replace your traditional job income in 2026. Whether you're into building AI workflows, producing synthetic media, or advising clients on blockchain investments, there's a skill here that can elevate your career to new heights. So, which of these skills excites you the most? Do you see yourself as a technical architect, or are you more inclined to the creative side of things? The digital world is full of opportunities, and with the right skill set, you can build a business that gives you more freedom and income than a traditional 9 to 5 job. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on the future of work and online income. See you in the next video.